Hi, Bill Moore with Fast Trading here. Trading can be challenging at the best of times. The year had already had its share of ups and downs. But this is a time period that will be remembered in the history books. And the volatility we are facing, and likely for some time to come, presents specific challenges to those of us who trade in the financial markets. But before we jump into the trading, my heart goes out to the people of the Ukraine, and to the human suffering that is happening on all sides, and which cannot be measured or redeemed by financial sanctions. The fast trading system uses relative value analysis, which is at the heart of pairs trading. Pairs trading is not a directional trade. It takes advantage of the temporary mispricing of two highly related stocks. The idea is to go long one that is currently undervalued, and short the one that is overvalued. And because we always have an equal number of long and short positions, large moves in the market tend to balance out. In tumultuous markets, that is a huge safety blanket. Let's see this strategy in action by looking at one day, the 25th of February. A lot of people blew up their bankroll this day. I recorded the first few hours of the trading day. There is a time for fully automated trading, but not today. We are only a few minutes after the opening. Notice the sea of red. We had 5 positions open. For us, since we trade pairs, that means 10 individual symbols. This was a short week to begin with, so all 5 of these opened on Tuesday. There were no trades on Wednesday. We had been doing well, up about $6,500, with only one trade losing. Let's take a quick look from the website. Here you see the same 8 items that we were watching on that week. 5 had opened, and 3 were still being watched. Now to the current performance. This one cannot be saved. MT is an international steel company headquartered in Luxembourg. Of course it will be down the most. This trade was winning at the close yesterday. But with the events in Europe, we need to get out of this one. Let's jump over to the signal tool. And of course it is confirming the obvious. As soon as we turn on the automation, NUEMT will close. Interestingly, VLOPSX will be giving a signal to open. And it even looks right. So 2 trades will happen from the automation. We need to decide what to do with the other 4 open positions. Notice that, even with the crazy drop across the board, the other 4 did not move enough for the automation to create a signal. Being market neutral is a beautiful thing. But there is a ton of volatility here. Which means things can bounce in any direction. With pairs trading we are fully hedged, which is why we survived to make these decisions, but overall I think we were also quite fortunate. I decided to try to take the profits. A cash position sounded good at the time. Let's jump forward in time to see the results. End of the day now. We did not capture all of the fortunate motion from the open, but we got about half of it. That combined with the profit coming into the day means we had a good week. Plus, remember the new position VLOPSX? It moved in our favor, and with the crazy market, I decided to bank that one too. There were still 2 pairs on the watch list, but everything else had closed. 5 winners, and 1 loser. On big event days, like the 25th of February, I am very glad to be trading a market-neutral strategy. I fully expect more eventful days over the coming months. If you do not want your bankroll to be at the whim of a fickle market, get started with the fast trading system today. See the links below for more information. At a minimum, please like and subscribe to this channel. See you next time.